ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਹਰਬੰਸ ਸਿੰਘ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਵਿਵੇਕ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਦਾ, ਆਪਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਚਾ ਕਰਨਾ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਸਟਮਰੀ ਰਿਚੁਅਲਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਧਰਮੀ ਬਣ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਜੇਕਰ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੇਂ ਧਰਮ ਨੂੰ ਚਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਆਓ 6ਵੀਂ ਪੌੜੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਿਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅਤੇ ਅਗੇਨ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹਰ ਥਰਸਡੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸ਼ਾਮਿਲ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ। ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਜੇਕਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਏ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ youtube.com/ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋਅ 'ਤੇ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਉੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡਸ ਨੇ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੁਣੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ, ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਈਏ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖੀਜ਼ਮ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਆਫ ਲਾਈਫ, ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਮੇਅਰ ਰਿਚੁਅਲਸ। ਜੀ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ।
Harpreet ji, Baba Nanak is very loudly saying, just by washing body, pollution of mind will not be washed away.
That's right.
Very clear. And for the modern man, for the youth of today, it is not logical, it's not practical, and it's a worthless ritual for the young people, you understand. Harpreet ji, last time you talked about interpretation of the Bani.
Ji.
Now, if any scholar promote this Tirth Ishnan the way it is literal meaning,
Ji.
the youth of today will find out that it's not logical, it's not reasonable, and not acceptable to the modern man.
ਜੀ
ਜੇ ਤਿਸ ਭਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੇ ਤਿਸ ਭਾਵਾਂ। Last time you also raised this question
Ji.
that if everything happens under the hukum, humans cannot be held responsible.
that's right.
Okay. Now I thought maybe it's the time. Guru Sahib is saying here, bathing does not help you spiritually. It's a worthless ritual.
Ji.
And that is the hukum, that's the law of nature.
Nature.
Now it is up to me whether I want to understand that, follow or not.
ਜੀ
But under the laws of nature, I must face consequences.
That's right.
If I don't listen to the Guru, don't follow the hukum, it's up to me to follow or not.
Ji.
But I cannot avoid the consequences.
that's right.
If I continue doing those rituals,
Yeah.
I will not be spiritually awakened,
Right.
and I will keep suffering.
Very true. Guru has given us the free will, but consequences you have to face of whatever you are doing.
Yeah. So Guru says, naturally in daily life, Harpreet ji, this is the law of nature, we must face consequences.
Ji.
When we have evil thoughts, when we have vices, when we do tax evasion, when we do cheating and jealousy, hatred, and we do immoral things that create negativity in us.
That's right.
That creates, produce negative chemicals, and that creates stress and depression. That's the law of nature.
Ji.
And the consequences will not go away. Guru says, pollution of mind only washed away by attaining divine wisdom.
Ji.
Being virtuous, human being, replacing, Guru says, replacing ignorance with knowledge.
That's right.
And Gurbani says suffering is due to ignorance, and peace and bliss is through the knowledge. Not continue repeating those rituals.
Ji.
Now, Guru says, jeti sir topai veka bin karma ke mile lai.
Ji.
Bin karma, we need to understand this word. Bin karma means without the following the teachings of Sri Guru Granth Sahib,
Ji.
or without the grace of God.
Ji.
Now, it is true if we look at the world today, the whole humanity is identified with ego,
Ji.
live in duality. Other words, their own mind thoughts. Guru says, I cannot be spiritually awakened, man of higher consciousness. In Bani, is home nave naal virodh hai. Where there's ego,
Yeah.
there's no spiritual
ਦੋਏ ਨਾਲ ਵਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਥਾਂ।
awakening.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ, absolutely.
Nanak says the only source of divine wisdom is the teachings of Sri Guru Granth Sahib.
ਜੀ
ਮਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਤਨ ਜਵਾਹਰ ਮਾਨਕ ਜੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੁਰ ਕੀ
ਸਿੱਖ ਸੁਣੀ।
ਸਿੱਖ ਸੁਣੀ।
ਜੀ
Guru in Bani, the whole Guru Bani, the Guru Sahib had extensively used the metaphors. We need to, very important to understand.
ਜੀ
Guru ji used the word ਮਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਤਨ ਜਵਾਹਰ ਮਾਨਕ।
ਜੀ
ਸਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਤਨ ਜਵਾਹਰ ਮਾਨਕ, you know, Guru Sahib, you know the diamonds, you know the jewels, you know the rubies, how valuable they are.
right.
So, oh man, spiritual wisdom, virtues are the diamonds and jewels. And real peace, bliss is only possible through virtues.
Absolutely.
So Guru Sahib used the metaphors, but giving the importance of the teachings of Gurbani, attaining the virtue. Jek Gur ki
Sikh suni.
Sikh suni.
Yeah.
In the modern society, Harpreet ji, people live under normal unconsciousness, coping with life. When we meditate on teachings of Sri Guru Granth Sahib,
Ji.
commit to walk on the spiritual path, and admit that I had enough of living in a normal unconscious life, enough of this pain and suffering.
Ji.
And Guru says that you have a Gur ki Sikh suni. You have a chance to turn to internalizing diamond, jewels, rubies, meaning virtues, goodness, and truth, compassion, contentment, humility, forgiveness, tolerance, honesty.
Right.
Guru Sahib says that Satgur ke isnu, this is what we call Satgur ke janme gavan mutaya.
Theek.
This is our new birth in the house of Nanak.
Right.
Mat vich ratan, Gur ki Sikh suni.
Bilkul.
This is a new birth in the house of Nanak, and by doing this, Guru says ego is dropped, destroyed, unfolding a new consciousness. It's a transformation into alive, courage, abundance, focus, positive, authentic self, joy and bliss. And this is Gur ki Sikh suni is a transformation to new consciousness.
Absolutely, because this was a paradigm shift what you are talking, and that's what the
Paradigm
Guru
shift,
talked
that's
about
Guru
this,
talking.
that while he's giving that metaphor of diamonds and rubies, the idea is that these are the virtues, those divine virtues. By following the path of the Guru, you will have those rubies of divine wisdom in you.
You value those things.
yeah.
But this is more important.
This is more important.
Man, this is
Absolutely.
more important than jewels and
That's
rubies and values. This is the metaphor Guru Sahib. Okay, कहते Guru Sahib, गुरां एक दे बुझाई.
Ji.
सबना जियां का एक दाता,
सो मैं
सो
बिसर
मैं
ना
बिसर न जाए.
जी.
Guru says when transformation, conscious transformation happens, Guru says, oh God, it is my humble prayer, I may never be separated from you.
Ji.
You are the only source of divine wisdom, Vivek Buddh. Oh God, every action of mine.
Ji.
This is Guru Angad. Sabna ji कहते so मैं बिसर न जाए. Every action of mine, every deed I perform, whatever I do on daily basis is according to the teachings of Guru Granth Sahib. As you said, this is the paradigm shift.
That's
Guru is asking. Now we start Pauri 7.
Seventh. Ji.
Okay. In the Pauri 7, which says Je Jug Chare Arja, in this Pauri, Guru Sahib is talking about worthless, superstitious beliefs,
Ji.
illogical religious practices, like yogis, they say, had lived for thousands of years,
Ji.
and that was considered to be a sign of piousness.
Ji.
And if somebody gained a higher power, higher position, that was a sign of being a good person.
Ji.
And Guru says none of these matters in the court of God.
And here in the seventh body, like you have mentioned, now the Sikhs should realize that Guru Sahib is in this body, what you're going to explain, telling us that these are things which are not going to make you pious. But today, in our society, we are finding if someone goes to a pora and goes there and sits for some time and meditates, and then we think that he has become very pious, and then, you know, with the respect what we shower and the monetary also, and the way we start following these kind of things, it is absolutely manmat, and Guru is stopping us from doing all this.
Absolutely. Yes. Guru says Je Jug Chare Arja, but they're hitting very hard on these things. Je Jug Chare Arja. Char Jug in mythology, Indian mythologies, it's the Satyug, Treta, Dwapar, Kal Yug. In fact, they add up to the total age of Char Jugs is the 4 ages we called 4.3 million. Je Jug Char Jug, hold the Suni hoy, even 10 times more, you can live ever.
Right.
Nava Khanda vich jani hai. Naal chale sab koe. The whole world, 9 continents praise you, and changa na rakhaye ke you become a very famous person.
Ji.
Je tis nadar na avai. If you are not spiritually awakened,
जी
you are worthless.
ਤਾਂ ਬਾਤ ਨਾ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਕਿ
ਬਾਤ ਨਾ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਕਿ ਕੀਟਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੀਟ ਕਰ. So either we will say ਨਾਨਕ ਨਿਰਗੁਣ ਗੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਗੁਣਵੰਤਿਆ ਗੁਣ ਦੇ ਤੇ how you can make a paradigm shift. ਨਾਨਕ ਨਿਰਗੁਣ ਗੁਣ ਕਰੇ. Paradigm shifts. In this body, I will like to discuss the essence of
जी.
this, the whole body.
ਰਾਈਟ
Guru Sahib in this whole body is saying all unhappiness is due to ego.
ਜੀ
And with it comes all our troubles.
ਰਾਈਟ
If we deny ego, destroy it, we would be free. Guru says the modern man admire the creation. God, you've done a great job.
Right.
But now I will take over from here on. It is my life. Guru says, now, Guru talking about these rituals, okay. Guru says, what if you live 4 ages?
ਰਾਈਟ
You live in 4.3 million years and 10 times more. Guru says, what if you become so powerful, so famous that the whole world sings your praises?
ਜੀ
And changa naur khai ke. What even if you become Bill Gates of and Barack Obama of the today's world? But if you have edged out God, the truth, the divine wisdom, you are completely identified with ego and slave of your own mind thoughts. Kita andar keet kar, dosi dostare. Here we have to find the essence of
जी
Gurbani. Kita under. It doesn't mean that you next life you will be born as a worm.
राइट
No. Bhavarth is that if you're that egoic person, you can never enjoy inner peace,
Right.
bliss, harmony with nature, humanity, and a joy of life, ecstasy.
Right.
We can see that happening in the whole world today.
That's right. Harban Singh Kandola ji, time doesn't permit to go further, but definitely for next week we'll continue where we have stopped today. And thank you very much for your time. It was a pleasure having you in the studio. Thanks. Vaheguru
Thank
ji ka
you.
Khalsa.
Vaheguru ji ki Fateh.
What we have talked today is very important, and in the 6th and the 7th body, what Guru Sahib is trying to tell us is to eliminate that ego, which is the cause of all the suffering. So basically, the Guru is telling us whatever we may do, if it is just a ritual, that is not going to take us to godliness, I would say. And for that, what we have to do is have imbibed those qualities or those divine qualities of honesty, integrity, love, affection. And an example what he gave was, for example, tax evasion. Well, we may be doing all the good things, but here if we think that we are trying to fool someone or the government, that also is dishonesty, and Guru Nanak Sahib says that is not acceptable. So let's all understand the basic concept of Gurbani and try to become good human beings, and that was the message which Guru Nanak Sahib gave us. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਸਮਾਪਤੀ। ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਹੋਣ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਫੀਡਬੈਕ ਲਈ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਜਾਂ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਦਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰਨਾ harpreet@akaltv.com ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਈਮੇਲ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਫੋਨ ਰਾਹੀਂ, ਮਾਫੀ ਚਾਹਨਾ 604 603 7555। ਸੋ ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਦਿਓ ਆ ਗਿਆ। ਅਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ youtube.com/harpreet Singh show ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡਸ ਮੁੜ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਫਿਰ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਗੁੱਡ ਬਾਏ।